My name's Andrew Grove. I am a high school student enrolled at Piedmont, Virginia Community College and J. Sargent Reynolds Community College. I am here on behalf of the Principles of Public Speaking online course to talk to you about extinction in the Amazon. Now, before I begin, I'd like to ask, what's so important about the Amazon? You know, it's just a rainforest, it's thousands of miles away. It doesn't really affect me, right? Well, actually, there's about 10 million species of animals and plants on Earth, and about half of them live in the Amazon. The Amazon is also responsible for producing about 20% of Earth's oxygen. That's how many plants are there. To quote the World Wildlife Fund, they said, "There is a clear link between the health of the Amazon and the health of the planet." That means if the Amazon is hurting, the whole planet's hurting. The most exotic biome in the world is in danger, and if things go as they are now, it could eventually disappear. Now, what is the biggest thing hurting the Amazon right now? It's actually sitting right in this chair. Not me specifically, but humans as a whole. We are the biggest danger to the Amazon right now. Deforestation, for example. We need wood. We build a lot of things out of wood. Where do you find the most wood? In the Amazon. It's so dense. There's so many trees that cutting down a mile of that is like cutting down 5 miles here. You can cut down massive amounts of it, get massive amounts of wood, and make a lot of money. So that's what we've been doing. In 2008 alone, over 27,000 square kilometers of the Amazon was cut down for wood. That's a lot of homes destroyed. Poachers are also a problem. They often travel to the Amazon to collect rare skins and meats to make money off of. That's because the rainforest is home to some of the most colorful and some of the most exotic animals. And so that means their skins and their meats are very rare and very high priced. So they can make a lot of money off of it. And so they kill a lot of them, and they take their skins and they make a lot of money. Many species are already extinct due to poachers. They've been overhunted for their skins, and eventually their numbers just dwindled down to nothing. Climate changes are another problem in the Amazon. Well, you may be saying climate changes aren't a human thing. They are more than you'd think. I mean, pollution, global warming, that all kind of drills back to humans. We change the climate on Earth a lot. And when the temperature rises and drops like that, it can kill animals in the Amazon. They're adjusted to certain temperatures and certain lifestyles that can't exist when things are fluctuating. The list of endangered animals in the Amazon isn't shrinking either. It's growing. There's more and more animals that are just in danger. The giant otter is a symbolic animal in the Amazon. It can grow up to 6 feet long, and they used to be extremely common, but the National Geographic says giant river otters have been hunted extensively and are now among the rarest otters in the world. Only a few thousand are believed to survive in the wild. Some of the most common animals in the Amazon are now at a few thousand. The South American tapir was also common, but now it's become rare. It's valued for its meats and is a victim of deforestation, like many things in the Amazon. Also, the red-faced uakari is one of the many types of primates that live in the rainforest. These monkeys are extremely rare now. They used to be fairly common, but when trees are constantly being cut down, they have nowhere to live. They have nowhere to go, so they die. Luckily, there are many organizations working to slow the rates of extinction in the Amazon. There is the Amazon Conservation Association. They are focused diligently on just the Amazon, nothing else, just working towards saving animals and habitats in the Amazon. They identify threats and they eliminate those threats. They alone have planted 300,000 trees. They use satellite imagery to see when deforestation is becoming a problem in destroying habitats. And they partner with locals because there are lots of local communities that wish to save the place that they call home. And so the Amazon Conservation Association reaches out to them and tells them they will help them. To quote the ACA, "We do this because climate change and other threats to biodiversity don't wait." I mean, it's happening right now. It's a problem right now. Another group helping in the Amazon is the International Union for the Conservation of Nature. It is the largest organization for researching and conserving wildlife. They do not focus strictly on the Amazon, but they do help a lot in the rainforest. The IUCN is a worldwide operation. It encompasses 161 countries, and they accept new members. All you have to do is apply and you can join. The World Wildlife Fund is another massive organization focused on saving endangered animals. What they do is they focus mostly on the most advanced animals in the Amazon and the most endangered animals. So they have a list of animals that they are focusing on, and they do everything they can to save them, and they go from species to species trying to work up the chain. The Amazon is more than a rainforest. It's much more than just a home for 5 million animals and plants. It is responsible for stabilizing Earth's climate. It contains 140 billion tons of carbon. That's a lot of carbon, and that is one of the. It's essential. The rainforest is entirely essential for us to live on Earth. It keeps our climate from fluctuating and going all out of whack. I mean, if it doesn't exist, we don't exist. The Earth needs the rainforest. It's an exotic location, and it's being attacked by us for resources and skins. That's my speech. Thank you for listening. I'm Andrew Grove.